The construction industry moves fast and contractors are always running out of time. Design validation doesn't always happen quickly enough, causing installation errors in the field, forcing rework and delays that put the project over budget and behind schedule. It is estimated that 30% of construction work done is rework. What if you could save time by stopping rework in its tracks? VisualLive is an augmented reality tool that overlays BIM models on site, helping you catch errors and correct mistakes before they become rework. VisualLive supports Autodesk Revit, Navisworks, and over 70 other file formats, making model imports seamless. Align your model to real-world anchors. Use your mobile device, tablet, or HoloLens to view your models on-site in real time. When you spot a clash, VisualLive's issue capture tools let you communicate them to your team in just a few clicks. The data you need to resolve design issues in the field. Build it right the first time. Discover VisualLive today.